You guys, volume 2, JACLYN Hill is happening right now. I'm so excited because I love that palette, and today we're gonna make this same eye color with that palette. It looks a little different from last week, but I think it's gonna work. Let's get this going. Woo! You guys, are we just not loving the JACLYN Hill Volume 2? Last week was so crazy because there were so many releases, so many exciting things. But today we're gonna dive right back into Volume 2 because I literally cannot get enough of it. I've taken it with me over the weekend. I played with it multiple times and I was like obsessed. I kind of want to play with some other colors in the palette. And I feel like a lot of people don't really open up the palette again when they like something. So I like it when you guys are super comfortable with me to allow me to open up the palette twice or 3 times, because honestly, if I love it, I keep using it. Now, if I don't really use a product again, it doesn't mean I don't like it. It's just that it's not like, oh my God. You know what I mean? And it is what it is. Or when you just, you know what? When you're set, you're set. I already have on foundation. I already did all that. I was on a live chat this morning. Had the best time getting ready with people. Today, we're gonna go ahead and just dedicate everything to eyes. So I don't really have anything new on my face. You guys already know I'm fully bronzed. You guys, we're gonna go ahead and put some white underneath my eyes because I just really do love that look, to be honest. I just think it's just like a cute doll look. But in the palette, you guys, there's like some of these like really pretty maroon colors that I'm like really excited to play with because I love maroons. I love burgundies. I love like a dark smoky like burgundy eye. It's like my fucking weakness. To talk about something funny, I went on the live. Long story short, I am so scared of gray eyes. Like, I really don't do gray eyes. Like, I'm terrified. I don't do silver eyes. I don't use silver, period. And I can literally pull out all my palettes and show you guys that I just do not do silver. I don't care who you are, what palette you have, and if it has silver in it, I just don't touch it. I've tried many times. I just don't fuck with silver. You guys gotta understand, like, I asked the live people, I was like, okay, would it be kind of cool to do a silver first impression? It is a first impression because I am not impressed. I'm not intrigued, I'm not impressed, I'm not into, I'm not sold to it, I don't care about it, I'm terrified. Everyone said yes. So please, like, if you think I should do a silver eye impressions, let me know. I think having your guys' confidence and having you guys there with me and doing a video, I would be a little bit more focused. So I just got done priming my eyes with the Urban Decay potion. I actually don't even use the wand that it comes with. I actually just put it on a beauty blender and just go. So I would love to maybe do that for you guys, but I need you guys' help. I need some inspirational photos. So if you guys can please tag me in some silver eyeshadows on my Instagram, I would love to see a silver eye that I can recreate. So that is your guys' homework. If I can get a good inspirational photo where like, oh my God, this is like cunt, I would love to do it for you guys. So please tag me on Instagram. Pulling out JACLYN Hill Volume 2. Congratulations to JACLYN Hill for this launch, and I hope you kill it. I've never really used JACLYN Hill products. I actually don't really know her. I'm in love with her personality versus anything else. But this palette, you guys, is so fucking dope. If you guys don't have it, I really truly think you guys should. And if it's too bright for you guys, this is the Volume 1 right here. Volume 1, I literally carry with me to all my shows. If it has these browns, I'm like in love. So that's a good palette for you guys to get. So today, Volume 2, ta-da! We're gonna stay in the maroon areas, we're gonna stay in the brown areas. I really am curious on like maybe I might add some gold. I don't know. I'm not really intrigued by this gold. Gold to me freaks me out sometimes too. Like, I'm not a gold person, especially for the eyes, because I would rather fall into like this area as like my gold. So I'm gonna work my way around here, maybe do a little bit of maroon, obviously use a little bit of Temptress. I love the color Certified. If you guys saw the color Certified on my eyes last week. So obviously I'm highlighted. I'm just gonna highlight this one side and show you guys how amazing Certified. Look at the difference. Like, what? So Certified is amazing for a highlight. Like, I love it. I love palettes where you can create looks that you don't have to bring out another palette to combine, because, you know what I mean? Like, I kind of want to just pull this palette out. Long story short, you guys, let's go ahead and get some brushes and let's start this fucking day already. Let's start this blend. So now getting that color, comfort zone, and let's just start the brown moment. Ooh, that brown is really pretty. It has like a nice like sandy red that I really do love when it comes to a brown. I feel like ashy browns on tan skin or golds or like, I don't know, it just looks really like ashy. I tend to stay away from those. I just love like that warmth of a sand color. Now let me see if these browns are in this palette because I don't even know. Oh yeah, so obviously this palette, you guys, I want to say these browns are more of like a baby version of these. Like I feel like these are darker and more like, I want to say pigmented looking than these. These look more lighter than these, but I feel like these complement these colors more in the palette. So I think she chose those colors to kind of really go and soften up like a brighter color. I can definitely see why those browns are in there. Do I love it? Yes. Dipping into Homebody, I'm gonna give myself a little soft crease. I'm not gonna really do too much. So I combined two different colors, obviously. I have on Comfort Zone, Homebody. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pull out this color called Next. I'm gonna jump into the Burgundy. Actually, hold on. There's this color here called G Money that I'm very curious to see with this brown. Ooh, yeah, G Money is, look at that crease, look at this side, look at that side. G Money is cunt. Oh, look how deepened like that color is. This brown, I feel like with lavender, it would be so fucking pretty. And you know what I mean? I don't want to sit here and give you guys a boring ass brown smoky eye. You guys know how to do it. Like, what? Or maybe like a maroon lid. Oh my god, are you guys totally me? Because I'd be like, oh my god, maybe I should just do that. I think we should. There's this color, P.LOUISE. This one's called Glow Girl, and it's almost like a purple moment. And I feel like it would be kind of cunt with this look. Ooh. Ooh, that's pretty. I love that already. So I'm just carving it out like that. So same thing here, you guys. Take that P.LOUISE. So you tend to have something like this, where it's like that nice maroon, pinkish, reddish color. And that's just kind of like the base. So now what I want to do is we're going to jump over to this color called A Moment. And we're going to go ahead and just really blend some really pretty purple like shadows on top. And I'm going to just kind of keep it in the middle. And what this does is that it's going to keep it kind of more purpley maroon. And just make sure it is super blended. And it's okay if you go outside the crease a little bit because you really want to blend that brown and that purple together. It does kind of create like this nice seamless moment. And then now what I do is take a smaller brush. I want to use this color called Oh Hello. And I'm just blending it so you blur out that line. This is a completely different look from last week's. So I'm kind of excited to see where this goes. Now we have something cute like that. We're gonna take the color Oh Hello, blend that color on the bottom, and it should kind of match the color you have on top. You just blend it in a way that it just looks like a blown out kind of shadow moment. So just like that. You guys know I love to blow out a shadow. It's my favorite thing. So when I say what's my favorite thing to do, you guys say blowing out a shadow. Oh, it's looking so good. I'm like already obsessed with it. See? And then going up to the next darker color, I went ahead and dipped my brush into Crazy. Crazy is gonna give you that perfect blend and fade that we all love. So see the difference? See how it gets a little darker here versus here? Once that color, you are satisfied with it, move on to the next. And make sure we do the same thing on both eyes, you guys, okay? We don't wanna like jump all over the place where one eye tends to look a little different. I know we get all excited. Now this is the Kimora that I know. This is the Kimora that I'm used to. Now, once that we see like, okay, we got it, we love it. Now we're gonna go back and what do? We edit. So we love to edit here in this house. I think it needs a little bit of a black moment. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over here and we're gonna dip into the color called Temptress. Now you guys know I live for that color Temptress. And we're just gonna take it and we're gonna blend in. When you blend it, I want you to blend in a circular motion and only on the edge. Ooh. I'm like already obsessed with this color. Girl, this black is no fucking joke. Oh wow, I'm like really into that. I don't know if I should do a glitter. I kind of like it just like that. I think we should just leave it at that. Let's do like a pop color. I want to do the color A Moment. The same color that I use on the lid, right in the inner corner. But I feel like it needs something. Like a little glitter. You can't really see that, but it's there. Maybe a glitter like lid, like a little Ooh, that's pretty. So I did like a glitter on the crease. And this glitter is from Urban Decay. This is the heavy metal glitter. Ooh, that's pretty. I am very, very, very excited we did that. Let's bring in some liner. I want that liner super strong, you guys. Just like so. That glitter just made everything like come to life. Like I want to go back and just really take a empty brush. Now this brush does have a little black on it and just really blend out that bottom liner, but I don't really want to add anything else. Like I really love this purple black Maleficent kind of moment. Like that I would wear this just to go out. I love it. Ooh, wow. I'm like obsessed. And then we're gonna go ahead and highlight. Now I always like to look into the palette. There's a highlight color that I like and there's no highlight in here that I want to use. I'm gonna just highlight with a little Laura Mercier. I'm gonna take a little bit of that color called Certified and just contour my nose. You guys know I do the dot thing. Just give me your nose. And now let's go ahead and take some blush. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out something more orangey. I think something orangey with this would be really, really pretty. Orangey, pinky. I wanna do a red lip. Maybe a red or like a magenta. We'll find out. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna pull out some Jeffree Star. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out his Supreme Frost. These are the Diamond Wet, and I think this is gonna be really pretty. If you guys never use Supreme Frost, they do apply better when they're wet. I do love it when it's wet, see? It's just so much better when it's wet. And hello, it's called Diamond Wet. All right. So now that we have all that on, we're pretty much good. I think we're gonna jump into lashes. I'm like, honestly, like super obsessed with this look. Like this is something that I would just wear. And now, let's go ahead and pick out some lashes. Ooh, these are nice. I want to do something like that. Okay. All right, guys, so I went ahead and pulled out Tati lashes. Now this is the TL24. So cute. It's kind of like big and sparsy and like, has like separations in it where you can actually see the shadow. Let's go ahead and take it out with the tweezer. Look how big they are. I mean, they're not like huge, but they're pretty big. Now let's go ahead and apply these. Oh, I love it. So pretty. Oh, I love it. They're so full. I don't even need mascara. Like, I love a lash when like you don't even need mascara, to be honest. Like, it's just my favorite thing ever. Okay, so now we are ready for the red lips. I feel like red will be really, really pretty with this. So pulling out one of my favorite liners. This is Supermodel by House Labs. It's literally my favorite. It reminds me of the color Cherry from MAC. It's so pretty and it's so red. Alright, so you guys, I usually do my liner that thick and then we go back with the red lipstick. Today I'm feeling kind of cunt. I'm gonna pull out an old lipstick of mine that I never use because I feel so bad when I use it, but Christian Louboutin. This is a red lipstick by them and I've had this forever. Literally the cutest packaging. I never really use it because I feel bad because I'm like, oh my god, I spent so much money on this. But it's a really pretty red and it just literally gives you life. So let me just go ahead and show you guys literally what it is. I don't even think they sell this anymore, do they? Look at this. Like, really? And then voila, Christian Louboutin with House Labs Supermodel. So gorgeous, totally my combination. Let me just do a quick close-up. This is one of the new lip creams called Tulip from KVD Vegan Beauty, and they come with like multiple different colors. They sent me over this nice red moment. Let's just kind of see what KVD Vegan Beauty does to a lip. I'm gonna do it on the bottom first and show you guys, and then we'll see the top. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow, this is so pretty. Oh wow, that lip cream like literally topped it off for me. That was dope. Alright you guys, boom, bitch. Living for this fucking look. Oh my god, volume 2 literally got me together again, you guys. This is a totally different look. Like, have I done this look before? Yes, I have. But I actually love that there's an option that I can do this look again without having to carry like another palette. You guys, let me go put on a wig. You guys know exactly what time it is. It's time for a wig and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, got the hair on. I'm giving you guys a wet look. Wow. I mean, I was a little nervous about the whole like red lip and pink eye kind of thing, but I'm kind of like into it. I'm excited about it. I think it's amazing for you guys as artists, as creative people to try a color that you guys never tried before. Like, I know when I usually try new things, it is a little terrifying, a little scary. The best way to try it, you guys, is to try it on the lid. Like, if you're doing like a brown crease, a brown lid and pulled out kind of thing, and you want like, you know what? I'm gonna do I'm gonna try something different and I'm gonna put it on the lid, because if you don't like it, bitch, just put some fucking eyeliner all over that shit and you're like good. And that's how you know you don't like it. I think the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Eye Glitter was perfect for today's look. There's a little sparkle here and there. It went with the purple. It separated that purple from the brown, so it didn't look so like girl, what's going on? Now the red lip is phenomenal. In the meantime, I love y'all so much. Get your hands on the JACLYN Hill palette. I'm gonna go do a little photo shoot, do some selfies, and get on my live. You guys, 50K subscribers by the end of March. That's our goal. In the meantime, hit that subscribe button. I love y'all so much.